channel. My name is Belinda. Today is going to be the first episode of a little series that I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning. I wish I could get it all done in one day, but the truth of the matter is that I have so many different things that I'm getting done between work, the house duty, kids, and whatnot. I just don't have the time to get it all done. So I'm breaking it up by sections, by rooms, and even by little closets. So today I'm going to be doing our linen closet and one cabinet in the restroom. You may ask why just one cabinet, but the majority of them are clean. We have 2 restrooms upstairs that nobody really used, so those cabinets are pretty clean. And downstairs I have a half bath, and I've just recently redid that one, or organized it, so it's been kept up. Nobody really messes with anything in there. And the only one that's a mess right now is the one that Andy mainly uses. That one's been like a catch-all for everything, so it's kind of just a mess. So I'm gonna put a little system in there so that we can find things better whenever we need them. So in the linen closet, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some things that I've just been hoarding and holding on to. And if you know anything about me, I absolutely like to keep very minimal things. I like to keep things that I'm gonna use, and if I haven't used them in a while, I'd rather them go to somebody else that will use them. So I'm gonna bag them up and they will find a new home. So come along with me for this series. Make sure to turn on your bell notification and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you're notified every time that I post a new video, especially in this series. I know that we're all tired of being stuck inside. We all have cabin fever. We're all ready for spring and summer. So I know that we're ready to get our homes feeling that same way. So come along with me for this after dark mini spring cleaning.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting dipping like we're on our own ride. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. Now you're long gone. And I know time flies by so fast. Still I'm thinking of you. Do you remember still how we used to run? Fields were roaring. You said maybe it's love. It sure as hell was. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting dipping like we're on our own ride. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words though, we were so young. But now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so, but now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so moved on. But still I hear that song. It lingers on. Yeah, it lingers on. Young stuff you never meet, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place.
Alright guys, so these are the cabinets that I was talking about in the restroom. This one's mine and it has towels, so it's pretty organized. I just recently redid this one. Head over to my TikTok so that you can see how I did that. And now this is the one that I'm talking about. It's not that bad because I did get things out of here, but I do need to put a better system in place so we can find things. So let's get to it.
To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. You said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Okay, so serious question. Down in the description box, tell me what y'all think. So Andy and I have a disagreement. I absolutely cannot stand it. I try to keep all my stuff under the sink. What do y'all think? Is this okay? Should I move it? Because I probably am going to move it right now and he'll probably move it back. But what do y'all do?
I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
Alright everyone, so that's it for this super short video. I hope y'all like what y'all saw. Let me know in the comment section if you like this type of video where it's a little bit shorter, less talking, more music, less explanation, but gets the point done. Let me know if you got motivated to clean anything in your house. And remember, after the kids go to sleep, sometimes it's the best time to clean because there's no one interrupting you. So give that a shot if you're always struggling. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I post something new. And if you haven't already, please make sure to check out my website. There is so much good content out there. We're gonna have recipes, vlogs, and all this good stuff for you. So keep an eye out and make sure to follow me on my socials at Belinda and Co. Until next time, guys. Bye.